Good morning, my name is John Allen and I represent Train4All Construction and Engineering Academy. The breadth of qualifications we offer range from engineering and welding, carpentry, bricklaying, property maintenance. The centre here at Somerton houses 5 workshops, all of which carry out practical activities as well as classroom-based studies. Here we are in the carpentry workshop, which houses our property maintenance operatives as well as our carpenters. Today behind me we've got a group of apprentices in that are doing their property maintenance operative apprenticeship standard. And by the sounds of things, it's the carpentry element they're working on today. Apprenticeships are for everybody really, and so is construction training. The myth that it's for lads who don't do well at school is incorrect really, because it's it's an area where male and female can participate at any age. School leaver or people making a career change, anybody can do an apprenticeship. Okay, and now we are in the specialist plastering training workshop, which is sponsored by British Gypsum and Saint-Gobain. So this particular workshop houses 8 specialist plastering bays, and we are one of 5 of the centres across the country offering the 6-week site skimming course, where the learners will come in and literally be on the trowel for 30 days to get all their plasterboard and specifically skimming skills to a standard where they can go out and practice on site to a competent standard from day one. Here we are in a welding workshop, and one of the fundamental important things with welding and construction and engineering is health and safety. And we do a lot of health and safety training here at Train4All. We're very heavily involved in the health and safety training for all the Hinckley support operatives that need to carry out confined space training here at Train4All, carry out working at height training, carry out abrasive wheels training, and all these practical and classroom-based training programs are carried out here at the headquarters in Somerton. It's not just about the workshop space. So doing an apprenticeship or a traineeship at Train4All, there will be some classroom studies, whether that be essential digital skills qualification or functional skills in maths and English, as well as your technical studies and classroom-based theory work that you'll need for your qualifications. The opportunities at the moment are vast, especially in the southwest of England. There are huge opportunities for young people to get into these careers, whether it be a bricklayer, painter, a site manager, or a health and safety expert. There are phenomenally loads and loads of jobs out there. Typically, at the moment, from a recruitment point of view, there's probably 25 jobs for every 1 applicant in Somerset alone. So there are vacancies that need to be filled. Employers are screaming out for people to get into the industry. The skills shortage isn't going to go away overnight. There's a massive investment, a massive infrastructure into roads and into properties, whether it be residential or commercial, all across the southwest of England. If you wish to apply to Train4All and wish to get a career in construction or engineering, it's quite simple. We've got a range of methods, whether it be telephone, email, Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, website, you name it. We've got a team of advisors here that will support you and give you the right advice. We've got some great connections with the local authority as well as the schools and the colleges to support you in that transition from school into the workplace, from school into a traineeship or an apprenticeship. Or if you just wish to just come along, have a look at the facilities, have a taster and just find out some more information, please just get in touch. So the best way initially would be to go through our website, which is www.train4all.co.uk. Thank you very much.